In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a process flowchart in Lucidchart. Now, creating a flowchart, especially in a tool like Lucidchart, can really streamline your process visualization tasks, whether you're mapping out a business workflow or planning a project step by step. So, let's get started. Firstly, open up Lucidchart. Once you're there, head to the home page. Now, on the home page, you should see a button labeled New. Go ahead and click on that. This will typically bring up a series of options for you to start creating your document. Next, once you've clicked on New, you'll want to hover over the Lucidchart icon or text. This step is crucial because it directs the application to create a new workspace specifically for Lucidchart, as Lucid offers various other products and we want to ensure we're on the right track. After hovering on Lucidchart, move forward and click on Create from Template. Templates are wonderful starting points as they save you time and provide a professional look right from the start. It's much easier than starting from scratch, especially if you're new to creating flowcharts. Once you're looking at the template options, type in flowchart into the search bar. Lucidchart provides a wide array of templates for different needs, but since we're focusing on creating a process flowchart, typing flowchart will filter the results to show what's most relevant to our task. Next, after you've searched for flowcharts, click on the flowchart template. There are different styles and layouts you might see, but for now, clicking on any basic flowchart template will suffice as it provides the foundational elements we need. Now, you'll see a preview of the template. This is your chance to take a quick look and make sure it fits your needs. When you're happy, find and click on the Use Template button. This action brings the template to your workspace where you can customize it according to your specific requirements. Finally, the last step is to really make this flowchart your own. You have the freedom to move shapes, change text, and add any colors or additional elements that align with your process. Lucidchart's interface is intuitive, making it easy to tweak things to illustrate your process exactly how you envision it. And there you have it, folks. You've created your own process flowchart using Lucidchart. Creating flowcharts in Lucidchart is straightforward, and with a little practice can be a powerful tool in visualizing and improving your workflows. Thanks for watching and happy charting.